Silly season has kicked off in the 250 class, and this one really isn't that big of a change considering the rider isn't changing teams nor brands, and that's Levi Kitchen, who has signed or it's been announced that he has inked a 2-year extension with the Pro Circuit Kawasaki team. Now, obviously, he started his career or his pro career with the Yamaha squad and then moved over to Mitch Payton's Pro Circuit team before the 2024 season on a 2-year deal. Now, this new one will take him through the 2027 season as a 24-year-old now. Means he's going to be 26 years old by the time this contract ends. And who knows? Obviously, this was not a great year for him considering he was supposed to be racing out west. Then, what was it, pneumonia or some sort of illness? He decided not to race that, went out east, and then, well, we all remember what happened at Daytona with that horrible crash down the straight where he broke a collarbone and had a couple fractures in his back. So basically a wash of a supercross season for him. Moving one coast to the next to try and race and then getting injured the way he did sucks. But I mean, you guys say for him probably feels pretty good. If you've had the year he's had, and for a team like Pro Circuit to already give you a 2-year extension before even outdoor starts, you got to feel pretty good. You don't have to worry about trying to be over pushing or trying to impress every single race. I mean, obviously you want to get out there and win. You want to be on the podium all the time. But if you have a contract, especially a 2-year contract, it's huge because you have that leeway of if something bad happens, you're not going to be worried about like where am I going next year? If I have to, push myself to get back on the bike before I'm fully ready. And I don't know. To me, this is good. Obviously, these bigger factory OEM, whatever you want to call them, squads, they employ a lot of people in the 250 side of things. Between Kawasaki and Yamaha, you're talking 10, 12 people probably at some points. But I don't know. You guys tell me, comment down below. Do you like this for him? Do you like this for the team? What do you think about outdoors? Who's going to win? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.